Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed and another Technique Tuesday. This one is kind of some tips and tricks to make the sway underarm turn in the Foxtrot a little bit easier. This was a request. We do get to all of them eventually, but it might take some time, just so you know. So this one looks something like this. We teach this step by step on our website if you're interested. But some tricks for this one. This is a fast turn, so we want to make sure that we understand how to actually get around, right? So after my second side step, we open up to give us space. Tip number one, I need to start turning on the very first step. So that's important to get the swiveling action, and then I close my feet and soften the knees to end that fast rotation. So getting the pivot or the swivel started on that first step is imperative to making that turn happen on that very quick timing. So we go open, start turning, and then we finish there after the turn. So open up before, so I have enough space as the follower, and start turning on the first quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. So those are just some quick, easy tips for you. If you want more in-depth tutorials and tips and tricks like that one, go check out our website, ballroomfeed.com for more. Subscribe and like here, and thanks for watching. Bye.